So while you were on this diet, while you were trying to make all these changes, because it's not easy. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, अभी आप बता रहे हो because you have done that.
Yeah.
But I am sure जब आप वो changes ला रहे थे, not eating your favorite foods, trying to stay away from sugar, it's not easy.
Yes.
So उस time पे did you get all the support that you needed? क्या कैसे किया? Because बातें करना बहुत आसान है, but let's be very honest and practical. When you are into that zone, it's not that easy, right?
See, when I entered that zone, I started looking for things that will motivate me to do. To choose it, to choose eating right, working out. So for example, मेरा तो just pregnancy के बाद हुआ था. Your size changes. A lot of stuff that you love, you look forward to wearing, you can't wear anymore. Your feet are swollen. You're not able to get into the heels that you love a lot. मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा motivation was that I have to get back in shape because I'm not giving up on the person that
because I can't do what I really want to do.
And मेरे को बहुत discomfort होता था जब मैं अपने आप को शीशे में देखती थी because that's not the usual self that I always saw, right? So that was one. I think second, you're very right. When people around you start supporting you, it becomes easier and then you share that passion, right? So जब डॉक्टर ने मुझे मटन डाइट पे डाला था तो वरुण भी मटन डाइट पे गए थे. तो when I increased weight, I increased because I had a baby, but his weight also went up. So जब हमने dietitian join किया, हमने correct करना था. Then he would see and he would know कि मेरा भी weight ऊपर. He would see what are you doing? Okay, I will also do this. I will also do this. Then that gamification and they're like, you're like, no, you are not doing this. You eat this and I mean. It's just like that. It becomes a happy, exciting feeling when somebody supports you, when somebody says. On the other hand, if at the same time there's somebody in your house saying, पता नहीं क्या करती रहती है, इतना difficult बना दिया है, इसके लिए अलग से खाना बनता है, that demotivates you.
That demotivates. Right? And you can't even do it for a very long time when you don't have that support.
And hence you need to figure a way out in between that either you take people around you on health journeys.
Yeah.
Saying, let's try this.
Yes.
Make them a part of your plan, right? Or if you're not able to do that, then you very silently, consciously keep a check. जो भी घर में बन रहा है, जो दूसरों के लिए बन रहा है, उसमें ही आप healthy options कैसे ले सकते हो.